Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today we're going to be making a delicious recipe. This is tandoori fish and I'm going to be serving it with a mixed bean salad. It is healthy and really good for you. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I'm going to start with the fish. I have 2 pieces of salmon fillets here and both of them are about 3 to 4 ounces each. This is roughly 85 to 113 grams. I'm going to marinate this with 1 tablespoon of Tandoori Masala, 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste, and 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Add salt and pepper and I'm going to smear the marinade all over the fish. I'm just going to leave this aside and I'm going to work on the bean salad. Heat some oil in a pan and add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. I'm going to add a half cup of finely diced onion, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of minced green chili, a half teaspoon of chili powder and a half teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix this well. I'm now going to add the beans. I'm using canned beans. I've just drained all of the liquid out. This is a 6-bean medley and it weighed 540 ml before I drained all of the liquid out. This yields about 2 cups cooked, so if you want to use dried beans, you can mix them up and soak a little over 1 cup, and these must be pre-cooked. Add salt to taste and allow the salad to cool. Cook the fish. Cook it on both sides till the fish is cooked all the way through. The beans are now cool. I'm going to add a squeeze of lime juice, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes. I just cut these in half. And I'm also going to add about a 1/4 cup of fresh chopped cilantro or coriander. Mix this well together and serve with the fish. Enjoy! Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for tandoori fish with a bean salad. I love this recipe. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys. If you love this video, do leave me a comment below. I love hearing from you. Also, let me know what other videos you're looking to see. Also, share this video with your family and friends so they can enjoy it as well. And be sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I upload a ton of behind the scenes footage there. So make sure you're following me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.